Azalea Huggins. We're here at Volkswagen Driving Experience, and I am getting ready to drive the brand new Volkswagen Concept GTI car. I'm totally excited. This car is amazing, and wish me luck. So tell us a little bit about the car.
Yeah, here we can see our GTI Vision.
Okay.
New race design, how could look like a GTI with race genes inside. We do have a VW twin-turbo engine with a DSG gearbox and all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
Wow.
Right. Underneath the body we do have the MQB toolkit from Volkswagen.
Okay.
So we do have MQB axle, front and rear axle, with modified dampers and springs to get this car stiffer and lower on the ground. We do have bigger disc brakes, ceramic disc brakes.
How large are these? Are these
20 inch.
20 inch.
20
wow.
inch wheels.
Wow.
Big wheels.
Wow.
So you do need a big body.
Right.
To cover it.
Right.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. You've done an amazing
look, yeah.
job. And I would love to drive it.
We could.
We could?
Yeah.
All
sure.
right. Cool. Yeah.
Please take
Okay.
seat.
Perfect. Ooh, GTI.
And we have to do another one
Okay.
down there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so heavy.
It is.
Look at that. Hey. Tell us a little bit about the interior.
Interior is really racing-like.
Yep.
A lot of carbon fiber,
Okay.
Alcantara, aluminum.
Wow.
The gauges shows us temperatures, pressures, boost, all the lap times and so on.
Mm-hmm.
We have buttons for main switch, ESP off and fire distinguisher.
Oh, wow.
We do have engine start-stop button on the steering wheel and the track mode button, so we can choose 3 different mappings from the engine.
Oh, so you have 3 different mappings: street, sport, and track.
Right, yeah.
Nice.
So the engine has different mapping, drivetrain and the dampers will adjust like you want to. So
how much, what are the specs on this vehicle?
Yeah, we do have a VR6 twin-turbo, 3 liters. It has 503 horsepower and 560 newton meters of torque.
Wow.
And it goes from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds.
0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds.
Yeah, it does.
Are we going to do that right now?
If you want to.
Okay.
We are in the park position.
Okay.
You hit the brake pedal and hold this, the button, I think 2 seconds, and the engine should start.
Oh my
Now
God.
you can hear.
Let me know, Stefan, when are we taking off?
We could take off.
We can take off? Okay.
We just follow
Which
these
way?
cones on the right side.
Okay.
We stay outside the cones.
No shifting.
No shifting.
Should I have you drive me? That would be fun.
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Sure.
Okay. Now do I need my seatbelt?
Makes fun.
And I think I'm ready for this to come to the US. Woo! Holy mackerel. Sweet! That was amazing. this way, I think. Maybe tweak to get out. Oh my God. Very nice. Straight up here, and this will be perfect. Come on out. Woo! What? That was amazing.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
I did.
Right?
Yes, I did. I did enjoy. Should we go again?
We could do the whole day.
I definitely could do the whole day.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank
Woo!
you too.
Yes, thank you.